Good morning, students. Today we will see the new lesson of Tenali Raman. So let us start. You might have felt that I will take the lesson now, but I have a surprise for you. I have a short story about Tenali Raman. We will have now a story time so that you will get some idea of Tenali Raman. Let us see who is this. Who is this person? Hello children. Before moving to our lesson, we will listen to short story of me. I am Tenali Raman from Vijayanagar. I am poet and advisor in the court of King Krishna Dev Rai. You have seen me in storybooks, cartoons and also in the serial on television. So we have seen this person on television, in cartoons, and we have also read his story, Tenali Raman. He was so much intelligent, he was too intelligent that he was advisor in the court of Krishna Dev Rai, King Krishna Dev Rai. We will see one of the story of him, the greedy Brahmins, how he taught lesson to the Brahmins. The greedy Brahmins. The mother of King Krishnadev Rai was very religious. She is the mother of King Krishnadev Rai. I would like to offer ripe mangoes to the Brahmins the next morning. She has a wish to offer mangoes to the Brahmins. She said this to King Krishnadev Rai. Now let us see how he replies to his mother's wish, whether he will grant it or not. Guards, call the Brahmins tomorrow. So he did. Yes, your majesty. He ordered guards to call Brahmins so that he would able to complete his mother's wish to offer mangoes to the Brahmins next morning. But what happened that night? That very night, the king's mother died. She died. The king was very sad, but he remembered her last wish. The king performed all the necessary religious rites. King Krishna Dev Rai's mother died that night. He was sad, but he wants to complete her wish. So he says, guards, call the Brahmins now and give them mangoes as it was my mother's last wish. He again ordered guards to go and give these mangoes to them, to Brahmins. But how how uh, how the story will take turn? We will see that. The guard goes and calls the Brahmins to offer these mangoes to them so that his mother would rest in peace. The Brahmin comes with guards, but they rejected his offer. Why? The Brahmins were greedy. After a discussion, they told the king that his mother's soul would be at peace only if the king donated mangoes made of gold to them. Brahmin says that he doesn't want the mangoes, he wants gold mangoes. Mangoes made up of gold so that his mother would rest in peace. Otherwise, no. The Brahmin says this and goes away. So the king decided to offer Brahmin the golden mangoes. He called next morning. Brahmin again. So the next morning, the king invited the Brahmins the next morning to give away gold mangoes to them. King offered gold mangoes to Brahmins. So guard again goes and call them. But we will see whether the Brahmins accept this or not, as they have only wished to have the golden mangoes. Brahmin comes and they accepted the golden mangoes. This was all over watched by Tenali Rama. You can see this person standing over here. Tenali Raman had an idea of this, that how the Brahmin had tricked King Krishnadev Rai and offered them golden mangoes instead of mangoes. They tricked Krishnadev Rai that his mother would rest in peace if he offered them golden mangoes. Tenali Raman heard this and at once understood that the Brahmins were greedy. He invited them to his house to teach them a lesson. He decided that he will teach lesson to this Brahmin. Then he invited them to his house. The next day, the Brahmins were very happy to get the mangoes made of gold from the king. Then they went to Tenali's house thinking that he too would donate something good to them. But what happens we will see. Tenali Raman welcomed Brahmins in his home and he made them. Tenali was standing with the hot iron bar in his hand. Brahmin thought that he will also offer something of gold or something very precious. But they all saw that Tenali Raman was holding hot iron rod. Why you have picked iron rod in your hand? They asked the question to Tenali Raman. Why he has picked the iron rod? Can you see here iron rod? We will see how the Tenali Raman answered them with his intelligence. My mother had died after suffering from rheumatism. She always wished to burn her legs with the hot rods to ease the pain. Thus, I wanted to burn the legs of the Brahmins so that my mother, this is wrong over here, it's not his, here should be my mother's soul could rest in peace. His mother should rest in peace, so he welcomed them, all Brahmins, to burn their legs. His mother has a disease called rheumatism. It's a disease of joints of pain happen due to it. Due to that pain, she always wished to burn her legs to reduce the pain. So he wanted his mother to rest in peace by burning the Brahmin's leg. So in this way he has tricked the Brahmins. Brahmins understood their mistake. They also understood that they had made a big mistake. The Brahmins understood his trick. Feeling ashamed, they returned back the gold mangoes to Tenali and fled from there. Tenali returned all the gold mangoes to the king and told him how the king had been fooled by the Brahmins. In this way, Tenali Raman again set an example of his intelligence in front of King Krishnadev Rai. He also said to him that how he was been fooled by the Brahmins. Next morning he returned all the gold mangoes and made the example of his intelligence. So in this way we also got the moral of the story. Greediness is not all we need. Greediness results somewhere to destroy. So we should be happy with what we have. We should we should not always expect something more than what we have. Happiness is that what we all need. Due to the greediness of Brahmins, they have lost the mangoes also. and also their name with fame. The moral of the story: one should not be greedy and they should be happy in what they have. So, in this way, we have seen the story of the greedy Brahmins, how they lose everything due to their greediness. Tenali Raman had many stories. This was one of them, and we will learn one of the story in our lesson. I hope you have liked the story of the greedy Brahmins and got the moral of it. I will send next video on our lesson. Thank you.